Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with another hair video for you guys. I am going to be doing something a little different today because this was not planned. At least this style was not planned. I originally wanted to come on here and do like a slick down ponytail and like, you know, something simple, but I knew some people want it. But I detangled my hair a few days ago and put it in these twists, and when I took the twist down, I was like, oh my god, these curls slash twists, whatever, is like the best. Like, I have to film a video for this. So I decided I would kind of do this backwards. I already have the footage of what my hair looks like once the twists were taken down because I filmed a not hair video. And my hair just looks so good. And I'm like, once I put this video up, people are gonna say, what did you do to your hair? Did you film a video? Can you film a video? Like, so I'm like, okay, let me just go ahead and do this now because it's so simple and it yields such like really nice results. And we're all stuck in our houses and no one's going anywhere, no one's doing anything. So if you kind of still want to look like something while you're in the house, this will be a good style to try. I personally, on the other hand, can just walk around like this for the next 30, 60 days. I don't care. So this is a style, maybe if you want to like go for a little walk or go in your backyard and like lay out for a little bit, or run to the gas station or get some food from the grocery store, you want to do something with your hair. I don't know, girl, just something. Use it for something. Anyways, just to give you guys a little bit more background, when I detangled my hair, I was coming off of a wash and go where I use my two favorite products right now, which are the Afro Sheen Crown Defining Curl Cream and the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Gel. So if you guys have seen my detangling videos in the past, you already know I just literally spray my hair down with water, detangling using my new favorite detangling brush. I will link all these products in the description box below if you feel like purchasing anything. This brush is highly recommended by me. I love this thing. It detangles like a breeze. Just makes the process so much easier. Anyways, yes, I detangled with that and I just hop in the shower and wash my hair. But this time I didn't feel like washing my hair, so I just left it in the twist that I used to keep my hair sectioned off. And when I took those twists down today, whoo, them curls look so good. Even though my hair is still filthy dirty, it's time to wash it, beyond time to wash it. I'm gonna just style this really quickly for you guys just to show you exactly what I did. And then I will add the footage and at the end of how my hair turned out once everything was all dry. And that's another thing. I like doing this with just damp hair because if you start with soaking wet hair, you get more frizz. It takes way longer to dry. With just dampening your hair, you have a little bit more control, a lot more control actually, and you are reactivating the product that's already in your hair. You don't have to add any new product. It just makes things so much easier. I'm still today, even though I've done this once already, I'm still not gonna add any product to my hair. Mostly because my hair is so dirty, it doesn't need anything else in it. Now that I got all that out of the way, let's get into this tutorial. I'm not gonna talk, I'm just gonna show you exactly what I did. It's super, super simple. I shouldn't need to do a voiceover for this, but if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below as always.